Former President Trump is actively on his way here to Lower Manhattan, making his way southbound the 3.5 miles from Trump Tower. Today is the day that the jury could decide on whether he is guilty or acquitted on the 34 felony counts for the falsification of business records. After 5 weeks of testimony, this trial is nearing its end. Yesterday, the prosecution delivering closing arguments for 4 hours and 40 minutes, well into the night after the 8 p.m. Eastern hour. The defense for Donald Trump, its part, 3 hours of closing arguments. It was a long day for this jury. They are actively here reconvening now inside of this courthouse at 10 a.m. Eastern time, just a little over 20 minutes from now. The court will formally reconvene. Jury instructions will be delivered by Judge Merchan to these 12 jurors who are going to decide Donald Trump's fate. They could well take them hours, it could take them days, it could take them into next week. To note, Donald Trump is already, through this trial, cast doubts about the ability of this juror to make a fair and impartial decision. Don Jr., his son, was out here yesterday as well, suggesting the exact same thing. But when we are awaiting this verdict to come from this jury, I think it's important context for folks to go back to 6 weeks ago. During the jury selection process, Donald Trump's attorneys, as well as the prosecutors for the district attorney's office, each had the ability to challenge for cause each of the jurors before they were seated. And of those 12 jurors who were seated and impaneled by Judge Merchan, the defense for Donald Trump only challenged for cause one of those individuals. So 11 of the 12, they were not challenged by this defense team that is going to be the one as soon as here this afternoon to determine Donald Trump's fate on these 34 felony accounts.